Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you modern curtain design. When planning your perfect dream home, there are several elements to consider along the way. From the colors of your wall, the right decor accessories and furnishing, to the best fixtures and overall aesthetic, there is a lot of thought that goes into every tiny detail so that your home can mirror your personal style. One of the key to tie an entire room together is choosing the best curtain design. With the potential set the tone and mood in the entire room, control its natural lighting and even add visual intrigue and height to the space. The best curtain design is an unsung hero in uplifting a room decor. Here are some tips and rules to find the best curtain design for every room in your home. When picking the best curtain design for a room, be it a personal space such as the bedroom or more common area like the living room, whether it is the slate style of lover that adds a more polished look to your home. Office or muted Roman blinds that don't pull away the attention from the rest of the decor in the home. The curtain design you choose should be thought through to work with not only the aesthetic but the requirement of a home. Tall curtain design with pastel colors in a different prints from the lining on the bed. If you love pairing prints on yourself with clothes, you can translate the same aesthetic to your home decor with your curtain design. Pairing prints not only creates a look that's unique and unusual, but also creates a play of texture and color in the space. And while mixing prints might seem like a daunting idea for a few, it does not have to always be. There are several options when it comes to pairing prints. You could either pair a single print with a solid color or several complementing colors that are in the print design or pair two prints within a similar color family, hue or tone. In this room, the tall curtain framing the window are in different color and print from the linen on the bed, but they still tie to entire room together. This is because the entire decor and aesthetic chosen from the space is in a muted, earthy hue, creating a sense of blend uniformity. The options for a curtain design are many, but you can choose one that works best for you and you can have the best of all. If your window area extends across the breadth of an entire wall, you can help create section within it with your curtain design. For example, in this room, the side wall are kept hidden with the floor to ceiling curtain, which not only add a bit of muted glamour to the room, but also create a illusion of more window space. Complementing it in the inter or sheet drapes that let light flow into the room. We love the trick of keeping the Roman blinds closed halfway, which still allows the room to be well lit while also creating a bit of privacy at the same time. With your curtain design, you can control the strength of lifting that enters the room. From completely darkening the room with thick velvet drapes, the lighting in just the right amount of light to brighten up the room. The curtain design you choose can make or break a room. In this room, a mix of two styles of drapes allows for controlled lighting into the space. This works well for different moods and situation requirements. For movie night when hosting guests, you can completely block out all the light with the thick curtains, while the harsh afternoon sun can be controlled while leaving the room well lit with the diaphanous drapes. If you have a theme or color scheme in mind, use your curtain design to spread it to the whole room. Since a floor to ceiling drape will probably end up being the tallest element in the room, it also has a potential to visually draw the eye to it first. In this room, we can immediately see a tropical mood at first glance. The simple curtain in a leaf print with a clean solid off-white background is paired with a large house plant and chairs furnishing in a floral scheme. While the chairs are in opposite contrasting colors, they seem to work and tie to room together. Tropical theme always work with the melange of colors. If you are scared of mixing colors, textures and prints and are particularly worried to overkill the whole space, remember to keep the rest of the room, especially the walls, in a solid light color, which will act as a blank canvas for the rest of furnishing. For a monochrome plate or a uniform hued room, use your curtain to create a theme or complement the decor color. In this room, while the armchair and ottoman are in a cobalt print with a complementing print panel on the walls and the carpet, the curtain framing the entrance windows set the color of the room with its solid shade of blue. This tip works best in small space apartments and rooms, especially with limited opening or windows for natural light. Diaphanous sheer drops do not overpower a room, unlike how a thicker curtain may leave a room looking stuffy. The sheerness and lightness of this curtain design lends its feature to the rest of space it's furnished in. Tall along the height of the room, this makes the room look taller and even more open. The rule of thumb when hanging curtain is that floor to ceiling drapes will add light to the room and create the illusion of higher ceiling. Just make sure to cut the curtain slightly above the floor to avoid it getting dirty or gathering dust over a short period of time. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.